Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel, and today I'm going to share with you the scalp scaling treatment I had at Mokeullag in Gangnam, Seoul, Korea. Although Google said they were open at 10, they did not open until noon, but it was well worth the wait. Oily and very dry.
Yeah, very weird, you know? Dry and oily.
Yes.
That's what she was saying. She doesn't know why it's dry and oily.
Yes. This is break. Your hair is very thin.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
not good.
And fortunately, we were able to communicate for the most part, speaking English. However, there were some words we were not able to understand, so thankfully Google Translate helped a lot. The handheld microscope tool she's using is pretty cool, being able to see all of my dry scalp up close and personal. You
Shift your skin. I'll just go.
Okay, this ends the pre-analysis for my scalp, and now we're going to enter the treatment room for some exfoliation. I came here with a friend, and it was really nice that they were able to put us into a room where we could stay together for the majority of the time. There's only one sink in the room, so I did leave this room to go get my head washed while she was getting part of her treatment.
리아스는 오늘 노년 안 오냐고 물어봤어. 거기 2시까지만 좀 되고 뒤에는 예약이 없어가지고.
I'm not sure if they were spraying water or tonic in my hair, but the next step is taking a comb to part your hair and then taking a wooden bamboo stick. It feels a lot like a toothbrush, and they're putting scalp treatment in your hair.
그렇게 느끼셔서 뭐 했는데 어제 알았는데 이래서 이간질이구나 했다 내가 무슨 말을 듣고.
For me, it felt really nice. For my friend, she was getting tickled, but she's very sensitive to things, so I guess it just depends on you.
Right behind the ear was ticklish.
아니 뭐 미팅하면 청소 얘기했더니
네.
네 보고
저요?
아니 그러니까 네 보고 뭐 그랬다며 뭐 청소하는 걸로 뭘 할 수 있잖아 안 된 거 해야 되는 거 뭐 내가 청소
맞아요.
그것도 얘기했다. 2시에 2명 있으니까 어차피 2시 건 하고 와야 되나 그러면? 1시 건만 하고 없으면 안 되겠네.
아니면 1시 반.
Now it's time to officially wash my hair, and I did ask if it was carbonated water. I'm not sure if she fully understood, but I think she did, and it's not carbonated water. but the next part of the water spray was very interesting. You'll see.
이런 모발팩 가지고 가셨어요?
여기 있긴 하다. 그거 여기 많이 없긴 하다.
네.
응. 방치하는 거 영어로 뭐라 그래?
그냥 이거 보여줘. 잠시만요.
이렇게? 나한테만 보여줘.
그냥 이거 보여드려.
After the wash massage, she rinses it out and then puts in conditioner.
10 minutes after.
It didn't tickle me at all, but then again, I'm not as sensitive as her, and I did notice they were using a newer tonic gun on me. We've now entered the powder room, which is to complete the process. It's a self-serve area for blow drying your hair, washing your hands, moisturizing your skin. And we were lucky to have her assist us because we have extremely long hair. We plan on getting it cut soon. Okay, so now we're back to the scalp post-analysis, and let's see how it looks in comparison.
面包的时候去写地址了吗？
So it's definitely not a one-time magic treatment. You do need 3 to 4 sessions, she said, or at least for me. And I do see an improvement in just this one session. So I do believe that in 3 to 4 sessions, my scalp would be much healthier and back on track. Alright, that concludes my video. Thanks so much for watching, and I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Please feel free to share. Bye-bye for now.